Find features that make it different from other brands. 4 Great voell 24-inch Farmless Monitor. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. IPS Full HD Display, 1080p clarity. Great voell 24-inch monitor features a high-quality IPS panel with FHD 1080p resolution, 99% sRGB color gamut, 250 CD per square meter brightness, and 16.7 million colors. Experience vibrant, accurate, and detailed visuals ideal for home, office, and entertainment use. Note, this monitor has no built-in speakers. 75 Hz refresh rate, smooth gaming experience. Equipped with AMD FreeSync, a 75 Hz refresh rate, and 5 millisecond response time, this monitor minimizes screen tearing and lag for seamless visuals. The 3000:1 contrast ratio ensures deep blacks and rich details for fast-paced games and videos. Blue light filter and flicker-free, eye comfort. Designed with eye care technology, including low blue light and anti-flicker features, this monitor helps reduce eye strain during long hours of use. The 16:9 widescreen aspect ratio supports multitasking, online learning, and video editing with ease. HDMI and VGA ports, wide compatibility. Dual connectivity with HDMI and VGA ports makes it easy to connect to laptops, desktops, gaming consoles, Switch, PS, Xbox, and more. Great voell is perfect for both productivity and entertainment. 3-sided ultra-slim bezel, VESA mountable design. Sleek black finish with narrow bezels and a space-saving T-shaped stand. The screen tilts from -5 degrees to 15 degrees for ergonomic viewing. Supports 75x75 mm VESA mounting for flexible installation options. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.